Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shalu. I hope friends you all are fit and fine and you all are doing good. Friends, if you are watching my video, so it means you are a beginner. You are at learning stage, at starting stage of English. And if I talk about learning of English, so this stage is quite tough for learning because in this starting stage we don't know where should we go. Yes friends, we don't know how should we improve because we have to learn lots of things together and we try. And in excitement, we try hard and we practice, we do lots of things together. But after some time, we get upset. We think that we can't learn English because we don't have any environment. We need an environment for learning English. We don't have any particular topic for learning English. We don't have any partner, so we need a partner. We keep thinking about this that we don't have partner, particular topic, atmosphere. So how can we learn English? So friends, I am telling you that you decided for learning English if you are dedicated. So we don't need anything about it. Anything what we think means partner, topic or atmosphere like this. We don't need really. If you decide it, so you can learn English yourself only. So I am telling you a way by which by using that way you will find that you can improve and you can learn English without any problem, without facing any problem. Friends, watch the video till the end. It may be useful for you. So don't get further delay. Let's get started. So friends, that way which I am talking, that is very easy, which we do every day. Yes, I am telling about, I am saying about daily routine. But wait, I am not telling about that routine which we tell. Means if anyone asks us about my daily routine, so we mostly say, we mostly point out some work and we finish our daily routine in 15 to 20 lines. Do you also do the same? Yes, mostly we do the same. We finished our daily routine in 50 to 20 lines. But I am not talking about that daily routine. I am talking about that daily routine which we do lots of things but we don't mention. As we can take the example of children, student do lots of things a day. Get up and dress up, go to school, talk with children, play with the friends and sit on bench, take out the books and write down the notes, write on board and read the book. They do lots of things but they don't mention in daily routine. If I talk about a businessman or going a man who goes job or girl or anything, they do lots of things in a day like write down the files and take meetings and discuss lots of things and or do online session. Okay, but they don't mention we have lots of things which we do. If we talk about that daily routine, so thousands of things we do. And friends, do you really think, have you think ever that how much we improve if we make these type of sentences we do a day? We have so many sentences, okay, and we don't need any partner, any topic if we make daily routine like this. And yes, I know in one go we are not able to make all sentence. So you can help the others who are good at English, okay, who are senior, okay, and you on YouTube you can search any meaning, any sentence, you can search on Google also. So you can help, you can write down all the sentences, and you can revise all. And means repetition, do repeat that sentence again and again. Whenever you do your, from morning to night, whatever you do, so make that sentence in English daily means daily. In starting you will feel hesitate, you will not able to make translate that sentence, but with the time you will make that sentence. You feel English is easy because repetition. If we do something again and again, in starting we feel hesitate, we are not able to do that thing properly. But 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, if we do again, so we feel comfortable by doing that things. So same here, if we do this thing, make everything in English what we do a day, so we are habitual to make that sentence, and in 1 week we can speak that sentence very easily. If you are not able to make anything, so please write down, okay, because in English we don't translate every sentence, we have to mug up. First write whatever you don't know, and that sentence mug up and use that sentence in your life. Because we don't learn anything in one go, so repeat and use in your common life, your daily life. And slowly if you use that sentence again, so you, in your conscious mind, it keep somewhere, and when you will try to make that sentence, so quickly, very quickly, you will speak that sentence without any hesitation, without thinking anything. You will speak fluently also. By this way we can fluent also. Try this. If you want to learn English, so we have to practice, we have to work hard. Without working hard we can't learn. How can we learn? As we can't take any person's intelligence and hard workness, so same here, we can't learn English without practicing. How can you get a practice from any person? How? You have to prepare yourself, you have to learn English, you have to prepare or practice. By this way only you can learn English, okay? I know, as I am a learner, so I know the value of practice, the value of repetition. If I wash the clothes, so I say myself that I am washing the clothes. I know that what is the translation of this, washing clothes, but I repeat, I say, because of get confidence. By doing this we can get confidence also. really. And we can fluent also. Whenever I do anything, so I know the translation, even though I try, I repeat, like I am washing clothes, I am doing the dishes, now I am sitting, I am talking, I go to market, I feed him, and I am watching TV, and please take off your shoes, and please pass that thing. So I keep repeat that sentence. I try to repeat that sentence. By this you can practice your sentences also. So friends, this is very unique method and easy method. Please try if you are serious to learn English. So friends, keep practicing. We will meet in next video with the useful video. Till then, keep practicing. See you in next video.